sterilise this jar, you sort of need to have a fairly wide neck jar, which that isn't. So I only used that one because it had the honey already in it. So I stuffed the. I don't know where all the knives are. I stuffed the onion in it, but this wants a red onion. So you just take the skin off a red onion. And you basically, probably not a good example of peeling a red onion, but anyway, hopefully it'll go in the jar. Yep. And then we want some ginger, and probably a good amount of ginger. And look, if you don't have ginger, it doesn't matter. You can always add things later, like to the jar. So if you don't have all the ingredients, you don't have to not make it. Like if you don't have a red onion, you could use a brown onion even. Or you could go, I'll just go and get a red onion. And the ginger can get chopped up a bit. That all goes in there. And a fair amount of garlic, and if you can use the garlic with the purple skins, then that's good too, because that just has better medicinal properties than, say, the white skin garlic. So this is pretty simple, but you know, it just helps sometimes if you got a reminder. And you don't have to be particularly delicate in the way that you cut it up or anything else. But it does need to sit for 24 hours before all the goodness is out into the honey. And so you see, I'm going to put that in the picture somewhere. This, I'll show you first. It's a Manuka honey, and it's a fairly high grade of honey. So this should be really potent, this medicine. And I'll endeavour to keep in the corner of that pantry over there. You see some other honey, you can pull it out if you like, some other Manuka honey, and just compare the grades of it. Yeah, so there's that one, and I get that one from the bulk order, so that's a 30 plus mg, whatever this is. This is 110 plus mg. So I've chosen this one for this medicine. The MgO means the methyl glyoxyl level present in this jar, and is a naturally occurring compound in Manuka honey, and it's independently certified. So there you go. This is a New Zealand honey. Is that one a New Zealand honey? Yeah, because the Manuka is in New Zealand. So for this jar, I've chosen this because Gary is particularly not well at the moment. So honey, ginger, onion, ginger, garlic, and then you just drown it in honey. Now sometimes the honey is really thick, and in this case there's a jar in there of the local honey. Would you mind getting that out as well? And what we might do is just top it up with some of the local honey. It's a new jar of honey that I got from the local growers last week, and I think it's actually avocado honey. And it's also because this actually makes it a little bit more, there's more. Yeah, that's the one. well done. I'll turn that light off now. Just press it like that. So this is, yeah, from the Mary Valley, so it doesn't get much more local than that. Sometimes that Manuka honey is just really, really thick, and like sugary as well. So it doesn't hurt if there's another nice honey and the other one is all sort of not sugary, crystallized is what I really mean to say. Yeah. Then topping it up with, couldn't be fuller, could it?
Looks beautiful.
What's all that on the top there?
A bit of froth, like.
Okay.
It looks nice and unprocessed.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? And because it's local, I thought that would be really good as well. I'm just going to eat that bit. They said that was from, taste that. It's different.
Kind of.
It's really different. It's avocado honey. Apparently. Look, I've never had avocado honey before. And I had the option to choose. It's different, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Okay, so then that's it. You don't have to do anything other than let it sit there. Now, once that's sat there for a while, you could like mix it up a bit, like mix the two honeys together or whatever before you give it. And then you just give Gary that in a shot glass. And I usually always have an echinacea as well in the medicine there. And there is another one. That one's nearly gone, but there's another one. So I just keep that on something.
On hand?
Oh, that's the word. Thank you. On hand. So that, because this is the winter medicine, or the anytime medicine really, when he might be feeling a bit cold or flu, and it works.
Excellent.
Really well. There you go. Stop that somehow. Still, it's flashing.
Do you want me to press it? Press from below?
You can press it. Thank you.